Hello everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome back to my channel. Today we have reached at Pine View Nursery at Kalimpong in our West Bengal. Especially it's a cactus nursery. You will see here many types of rare and exotic cactus collections. And if you are a cactus lover, then it's heaven for you and you should come this place at least once for your lifetime experience. And this is the ticket counter. Entry fees only 20 rupees each, and I'm trying to show you overall view of this nursery. It's a nice place for tourists also, and this is the huge lawn, and in the middle of the garden you can see I am surrounded by various plants, and except cactus there are many other type of plants available, like bromeliads, succulents, many types of plants. And I don't know many types of, actually I don't know the name of all those plants. It's a huge shade full of big cactus. You can see many shades are there, around 15 to 20 shades. This is one of them, and you can see a huge collection of various types of cactuses, and you may see these are actually old plants and mother plants also, and these are succulents and other plants, and they are tourists, and these are some bromeliads you may see here, and these are actually these are huge number of golden barrel cactuses. These are Milo cactus, and many more rare cactuses are there. That I forgot to tell you the schedule of entrance time, that in the summer days the visiting hour is 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. In winter days 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. and entrance fees 20 rupees per head for Indian people, and for the foreigners 50 rupees per head. Sunday is closed, totally closed. It is one of the oldest garden at Kalimpong, and the owner of the garden is Navnita ma'am. She is loving, very lovely woman, and she is very passionate about her work and lovingly posed with my daughter. 1971 they have been welcoming thousands of visitors. It is I think it is a heritage of our country, and also it is a proud garden for us, as we are West Bengal people. So this is a heritage to me, and I think the cactus lover will also agree with me in this matter. I have come in this place second time, and last time I came in this place in 2019. So this is the second time, and when I came in this place I amazed that how many collection could have in one's place. So this is a huge collection, and very old plants are there. So and new plant also growing in this shade. And not only that, they have a selling counter also, and you may purchase from here cactuses or many other plants like bromeliads or succulents or hanging plants also. They have a huge good collections of hanging plants also, so you may purchase from here. This is the place from where you may have your breakfast and lunch. These are some orchids, and they have been growing in their natural habitat, and this is a dendrobium species called dendrobium densiflorum, and some other orchids also attached to the plant. Inside the garden they also have a homestay. You may stay here to experience the beauty of nature, and I am showing you their contacts. So that's all for today, and if you like the videos, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. And if you have queries regarding this video or this garden, so please message me in the comment section. I will answer you. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.